Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Cover and bake the ribs. Cover the roasting pan or baking sheet tightly with foil and bake them for 1.5 hours. Don't worry if they're not tender at this point, they'll continue to cook when you brush on the sauce a bit later. 8 August 2017.
Let's help you make your mark.
Lay the ribs meat side down on the sweet concoction with the meat side down, bones up. Return the ribs to the smoker and continue to cook for another 2 hours or so. When the meat has pulled back and exposed the bone about 1/4 inch, the ribs are done. Remove the ribs from the foil and sauce or glaze them at this point. 13 April 2014.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.